Do you know many people are having trouble with a zoomed-in screen on their Xiaomi Mi TV Stick? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Home button. Press the Home button on your remote to go to the main screen. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu with the arrow keys on your remote. Step 3. Select Display and Sound. Select the Display and Sound option from the Settings menu. Step 4. Choose Screen Zoom. Find and select the Screen Zoom or Display Size option. Step 5. Adjust Screen Size. Adjust the screen zoom or display size to fit the screen properly. Step 6. Apply changes. Press the OK or Confirm button to apply the changes. By following these steps, your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick screen should now be properly adjusted. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Xiaomi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.